Hey everyone! If you're playing Resident Evil Requiem and there's no sound, audio is not working, or the game is completely silent, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you multiple solutions step by step to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu. Type Control Panel and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Now, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as default device. If not, select your device and click Set Default. Test your game again. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not set to the lowest level and is not muted. Click OK and test the game. Solution 3. Open your audio device properties again. Go to the Advanced tab. Set the bitrate to 48,000 Hz or 44. 100 Hz. Uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Go back to your audio device properties. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install any updates. Solution 6. If that didn't work, in Device Manager, right-click your audio device. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver. Click Next. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for it to finish. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to the Driver tab. Click Check for updates. Download and install the latest driver. After updating, launch your game again. One of these solutions should fix the sound issue in Resident Evil Requiem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.